Hey everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today we want to talk again about AI in the gaming industry and especially about GTA 6 because Take-Two got now patents for special game AIs, so let's directly dive in to see what's new there. The first trailer of GTA 6 promises fans an exciting experience set in the lively Vice City with intriguing characters and plenty of abstrudious to explore. And now Rockstargames and the publisher Take-Two are securing new AI patents to enhance the gaming experience, and these patents seem to address long-standing desires of the community. One of the most desired features by fans is the ability to freely exploring buildings as well, which was lacking in the previous titles. The newly secured patents by Take-Two hint at fulfilling this wish. The patents describe an AI system capable of generating random interior layouts for buildings, assigning individual characteristics to each room. This includes difference in style, wear and tear, and also the cleanliness, making each space unique and subject to change over time. And all in all, this sounds very interesting, but I would not say that this is something completely new. Back then I worked on an NFT game called Niftyville, where I built a full level, and this was a big open world with many accessible skyscrapers, cities and all that stuff. And there I also built a randomization blueprint inside of Unreal Engine to procedurally generate those interiors. And of course it was not that complex with the wear and tear and all that stuff, but it already gone in this direction basically. And it's funny to see that Rockstar also want to go this approach or like a similar approach now, and I'm super curious to see what they will come up with there. Fans also speculate that these patterns could mean a significant increase in the number of accessible buildings in GTA 6. And on the other hand, it also could be possible that every apartment you can maybe rent, for example, will look a little bit unique. So even when you visit a friend who have the same apartment but he maybe like spend more money to get a renovated version or something like this. Additionally, they talked about NPCs, like non-player characters, that they are expected to receive AI enhancements as well, making them smarter and more responsive to the environmental factors such as weather and other player actions. And this is aimed to creating a more immersive and realistic gaming experience. And that's actually also something we already talked about in my previous videos. And my speculation is going more in direction of like actually speaking AI characters, like I showed in my last videos, but those would also come up with bigger hosting costs, I guess, for the ChatGPT backend and all that stuff. So maybe those technologies are not that far yet, so they can get scaled in big games like GTA, for example. But all in all, this is also super interesting, and maybe they just don't talk about that stuff yet because it's so new and so innovative that they don't want to share that with the world. But all in all, it sounds very interesting that they also thought about NPCs, what they can do there with AI enhancements, like that they are like smarter or all that stuff. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about all those AI patents Rockstar and Take-Two secured for them. And how do you think the AI characters later could look like? I guess it would be really cool to actually talk and interact with them. I guess like with the role playing or something like that, this could lead to many very fun moments in the game as well. But yeah, as you maybe already saw at the Niftyville example, we also help studios and individuals to build their games or levels in the most efficient way, and are also currently investigating a lot about workflows to speed up the game development process, also with AI tools. In the past, we built tools to procedurally generate full cities with Houdini, for example, in just a few hours. And also Unreal Engine is supporting all this with their PCG tools, which help to populate scenes with foliage and structures very quickly. All in all, I'm really looking forward how the future in this area will look like, and I guess stuff like level design later will go much faster, especially for open worlds like what you see in GTA. And I also would be very happy to learn more about your projects. So if you always wanted to build your own first game or already working on something very cool there with a smaller team or looking for reliable developers or artists here, I would be very happy to assist there. You can easily find my mail in the description of the video, also directly book a free strategy session in which I can learn more about your project to then help you work out a step-by-step plan with you, how the processes can get streamlined and how we can build your game in the most efficient way possible. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about all those AI enhancements in the game industry. Like, what do you think about it? Is it something where you are worried that like creativity and stuff like that will get lost because AI do a lot of stuff basically later in terms of level design and stuff like that? Or is that something where you think that this can really accelerate the game development in general and all that stuff? I'm really looking forward to see your comments there, but that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice rest of your day. Take care. Bye.